Hello friends, my name is Ramasu. Today we shall discuss about topic machine learning. Friend, today's topic is very interesting, especially if you have interest in technology and artificial intelligence. So let's start. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well, so that my videos can reach to you, and also you can follow me on the Facebook page as well. Friend, machine learning is basically a subtype of artificial intelligence. Now, what is actually artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence means that the technology based on that machines can think like a human. Okay, artificial intelligence, that is called as the concept of mean artificial intelligence, that machines will start thinking like a human and behaving like a human. Now, the machine learning, if we talk about machine learning, means that the software applications specific to software applications that basically predict the outcomes without being explicitly programmed. So that means basically machine learning uses the historical data as an input algorithms, and basically they predict the output. For example, by using the historical data of 5 years before previous 5 years, the software application can predict that what will be the weather in the next 1 year. For example, based on the last 10 years data, the software application can predict that which stock value will be better in the next year. For example, this is just an example here. Now, if we talk about the accurate examples of the machine learning, so machine learning, like for example, fraud detection, spam filtering, the predictive maintenance. Also, the predictive maintenance means predictive analysis means, for example, what will be the weather in the next 1 year, what will be the stock value in the next year, like for example, fraud detection. So all these are the applications or software applications specifically, which basically takes input the historical data and predict the output values. Okay, so it is very important. Now, why machine learning is important? For friend, basically machine learning, we know that every organization now uses the trend analysis. Trend analysis means that what will be the strategy, what will be the profitable things in the future, like based on the historical data we can predict about it. So basically organization, especially like big organization, Facebook, Google, Uber and other companies, basically they want to enhance, they want that their product should be successful. So based on, by using the machine learning in the software applications, they can enhance their software application. Not only big names like Facebook, Google, other companies also using the machine learning algorithms to be successful in the market, because once you can analyze the trend analysis, you can analyze the historical data, you can predict about future. Like for example, you know that which things are better, where are the chances that which product will be better in the next 1 year, for example. So you can know that whether you can invest in this product or not. For example, machine learning software application can predict by using the historical data that this product will not be successful in the market in the 1 year, next year, so you can avoid that investment as well. There are a few types of machine learning. First one is the supervised learning. Supervised learning means that in this learning, basically the data scientist basically use the algorithm and the training data. They basically define the training data and the variables, and they get the specific output from the software application. So basically supervised learning means that the supervisor is available. Supervisor is involved in the whole process of giving the input and taking the output. So that is called as the supervised learning. Next one is the unsupervised learning. Unsupervised learning means that basically in this algorithm, in this learning, machine learning involve algorithms that train on unlabeled data. The algorithm scans through data sets looking for any meaningful connection. The data that algorithm trains on, as well as the prediction or recommendations they output, are predetermined. Next is the semi-supervised learning. Semi-supervised learning means that this approach, machine learning, involves a mix of the two predictive. Previous one means this one, the basically supervised and unsupervised learning. Okay, so basically semi-supervised means that it is a mixture, or it is a combination of both two algorithms. That data scientists may feed an algorithm mostly labeled training data, but the model is free to explore the data on its own and develop its own understanding of the data set. So that is called as semi-supervised learning. So this is the combination of both the previous technologies. Then next one is the reinforcement learning. In this learning algorithm, data scientists typically use reinforcement learning to teach a machine to complete a multi-step process for which there are clearly defined rules. Data scientists program an algorithm to complete a task and give it a positive or negative cues as it works out how to complete a task. But for the most part, the algorithm decides on its own what steps to take along the way. Here friend, you can notice one thing, that basically machine learning means that it takes inputs and gives the output or predict about the outcome, but mostly things that basically the main concept is that it is taking the input and giving you the prediction. And many times it happens that machine is basically it's learning from its historical data. So basically with the passage of time it becomes learn, just like a child who basically learn with the passage of time. Similarly, machine also learning from its historical data, and after some time it becomes so much strong and popular, so much strong that they can take decision by their own self. Like it will not dependent on the data scientist, it will not dependent on any human. It will be taking decisions, it will be predicting outcome based on its own knowledge, based on its own historical data. So friend, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for watching the video. Thank you friends.